Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best quad canes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Pelagon Quad Cane 300 pounds with a large four-pronged base. This cane is designed for maximum stability thanks to its oversized base and anti-slip rubber tips, which ensure safe use across a variety of surfaces. The adjustable height range of 29.5 to 38.4 inches makes it a versatile choice for both men and women, and its 300-pound weight capacity is ideal for those needing substantial support. The design is sleek and modern, with an aluminum frame that balances lightweight portability and robust durability. At just 2.1 pounds, it's easy to carry without sacrificing strength. However, while it's well built, the four-pronged base may feel a bit bulky for users who don't require extensive support, making it best suited for those needing extra stability. This cane is a solid choice for users looking for reliability and durability. Although it's positioned slightly lower on the list due to its bulkier base and the lack of disclosed pricing, which makes value assessment a bit tricky, still, it's a dependable option for those who prioritize stability over portability. Coming in at number 4 is the Rehand Quad Cane. This cane stands out with its innovative molded quad base, which offers enhanced stability and a more graceful design compared to traditional welded bases. The rubber foot pads are larger than average, providing excellent traction and safety on diverse surfaces, with an adjustable height range that accommodates users from 5 feet to 6 feet 5 inches. This cane is highly versatile and fits a wide range of users. The ergonomic handle is one of its key highlights, blending hard PP material for support with soft TPR material for comfort. It reduces palm fatigue and muscle cramping, making it a great choice for extended use. Additionally, the collapsible design allows it to fold down to just 16 inches, making it exceptionally easy to store and transport. While its design and adjustability are impressive, the Rehand Quad Cane's slightly higher weight of 1.6 pounds and the lack of a listed price may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it's an excellent option for individuals seeking comfort, adjustability, and a sleek design, but it may not be the best choice for those on a tight budget. At number 3, we have the Medline Aluminum Quad Cane with a small base. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $26.09. Despite its affordability, it doesn't skimp on essential features. The small quad base provides just enough stability for users who need minimal support, and the lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to handle and carry. The foam handle offers a comfortable grip, and the rubber pads on the base enhance traction on slippery surfaces. With a height adjustment range of 29 to 38 inches, this cane is suitable for most adults and seniors. It's also capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, making it a practical choice for a wide range of users recovering from surgeries or managing mobility issues. The Medline Small Base Quad Cane is ideal for those seeking a lightweight and portable solution at an unbeatable price point. However, its small base may not provide enough stability for users with serious balance concerns. Overall, it's a reliable and budget-friendly option for those in need of moderate support. Our runner-up is the Pelagon Quad Cane with a large four-pronged base. This product is a top contender for those seeking stability, featuring a wide base with anti-slip rubber tips designed for maximum support on any terrain. The cane is height adjustable between 29.5 and 38.4 inches, making it suitable for users of various heights, and it supports up to 300 pounds. Weighing in at just 2.1 pounds, this cane strikes a great balance between portability and sturdiness. The handle is ergonomically designed to reduce joint stress and improve user comfort. Its robust aluminum build ensures reliability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Additionally, Pelagon emphasizes excellent customer service, which is a nice touch for anyone seeking post-purchase support. While it offers robust features, The large base might feel cumbersome for users who prioritize portability. Additionally, the lack of a listed price makes it harder to gauge its value compared to competitors. Still, it's an excellent choice for those who prioritize stability and quality. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Medline aluminum quad cane with a large base. Priced at $30.91, this premium option is designed for maximum stability and support. Its large base ensures greater weight-bearing capacity, making it ideal for users recovering from surgery, managing mobility issues, or needing additional balance assistance. The cane features a foam handle for a secure and comfortable grip, while rubber pads on the base prevent slipping on smooth or wet surfaces. It's height adjustable between 29 and 38 inches, providing a customizable fit for users of varying heights. Despite its robust design, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver thanks to its aluminum construction. This Medline quad cane shines as the best all-around option for anyone in need of a reliable, durable, and highly stable mobility aid. While it's slightly more expensive than the budget options on this list, its performance and build quality justify the price. For those who want peace of mind and superior support, this cane is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.